It's 2 a.m., you're bone-tired, eyes burning, but your brain is running a full marathon of tomorrow's worries. Sound familiar? Today we're diving deep into one of the most common complaints on the planet, insomnia. We'll answer the exact questions Google shows people are typing right now. Why am I not sleeping through the night? Why am I so tired but can't sleep? What foods actually help? And we'll back every single answer with solid science from places like Mayo Clinic, the National Institutes of Health, and the Sleep Foundation. No fluff, no miracle cures, just proven facts you can use tonight. Stick around till the end. I've got a simple 60-second routine that's helped millions sleep better. Let's get into it. What is insomnia, and why am I not sleeping through the night? First things first, insomnia isn't just having a bad night. According to the Mayo Clinic, insomnia is a sleep disorder where you have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or both, even when you have the time and the perfect bedroom. It can be short-term, a few days or weeks, or chronic, 3 nights a week for 3 months or longer. Why are you waking up at 3 a.m. unable to drift back off? Most of the time, it's hyperarousal. Your nervous system is stuck in alert mode. Stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated, your mind races, and your body literally fights the urge to shut down. Life events, irregular schedules, or even too much screen time before bed can flip that switch. The result? You wake up feeling like you ran a marathon instead of resting. Why am I so tired but can't sleep? Plus, what is sleep anxiety? This one drives people crazy. You're exhausted all day, yet when your head hits the pillow, nothing. That's classic psychophysiological insomnia. Your body is tired, but your brain is worrying about not sleeping, which makes it even harder to sleep. It's a vicious cycle called sleep anxiety. Sleep anxiety is exactly what it sounds like. The fear of another sleepless night creates more adrenaline keeping you awake. Studies show this worry alone can add 30 to 60 minutes to your sleep onset time. The good news, breaking the cycle is totally possible once you understand it. What are the most common sleep problems? Plus, the 4 main sleep disorders Dr. C. Insomnia is the #1 sleep complaint, but it's not the only game in town. The 4 most common sleep disorders Dr. C are insomnia, trouble falling or staying asleep. Sleep apnea, your breathing repeatedly stops and starts, often with loud snoring and gasping. Restless leg syndrome, that creepy crawly feeling in your legs that makes you want to move them constantly. Narcolepsy, sudden, uncontrollable daytime sleep attacks, much rarer. Other frequent issues include circadian rhythm disorders, your internal clock is off, and parasomnias like sleepwalking or night terrors. If you suspect any of these, the signs are pretty clear. What are signs of a sleeping disorder? Watch for these red flags backed by the Sleep Foundation. Taking longer than 30 minutes to fall asleep most nights. Waking up 3 or more times and struggling to go back to sleep. Feeling unrefreshed even after 7 to 9 hours. Daytime fatigue, irritability, trouble focusing, or mood swings. Relying on naps or caffeine just to function. If 3 or more of these sound like you for weeks on end, your body's waving a flag. Should I worry if I can't sleep? And when to see a doctor? Occasional sleepless nights, totally normal. Life happens. But if it's happening most nights and it's messing with your work, mood, or safety, hello, drowsy driving, then yes, it's time to act. See a doctor if it's lasted longer than a month. You're snoring loudly with pauses in breathing. You have leg discomfort or sudden daytime sleep attacks. It's affecting your mental health or daily life. A sleep specialist can rule out underlying issues like apnea or thyroid problems and get you the right help fast. What foods help you sleep better, and what vitamins help with insomnia? Let's talk real food fixes, because what you eat actually matters. Evidence-backed winners include tart cherry juice or cherries, natural melatonin source. Studies show they can add up to 84 extra minutes of sleep. Kiwi fruit. One study found eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed improved sleep onset and duration. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, packed with magnesium, tryptophan, and melatonin. Fatty fish like salmon, omega-3s plus vitamin D help regulate sleep hormones. Bananas or a small glass of warm milk, tryptophan turns into serotonin and then melatonin. On the vitamin side, magnesium, 300 to 400 milligrams, from food or a doctor-approved supplement, relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. Multiple trials show it shortens time to fall asleep. Vitamin D, low levels are linked to worse insomnia. Getting enough through sun, salmon, or supplements improves sleep quality. Zinc works great paired with magnesium for faster sleep onset. Pro tip: eat a light snack with protein plus complex carbs 1 to 2 hours before bed. Skip heavy, spicy, or sugary meals close to lights out. What will knock me out to sleep and the best sleep position? Nothing knocks you out safely every night, and that's a good thing. Alcohol might make you pass out faster, but it fragments deep sleep later. Same with most over-the-counter sleep aids long-term. Instead, science's top knockout tool is cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or cbt-i. It's more effective than pills for most people, teaches you to retrain your brain, and works in 4 to 8 weeks. Apps and therapists can guide you. While we're at it, the best sleep position? On your side, especially left side for digestion, or on your back with a pillow under your knees. This keeps your spine aligned and reduces snoring or apnea risk. Stomach sleeping? It strains your neck and lower back. Try to switch. How do you fix a sleeping disorder? Here's your practical, evidence-based fix-it plan. Sleep hygiene. Same bedtime at wake time every day, even weekends. Cool, dark bedroom, 16 to 18 degrees Celsius or 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. No screens 1 hour before bed. Stimulus control. Bed is only for sleep and intimacy. If you're not asleep in 20 minutes, get up and do something boring until you're sleepy. Relaxation. Try the military method or progressive muscle relaxation or 4-7-8 breathing. Daytime habits. Morning sunlight, exercise, not too close to bed. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. cbt-i or professional help if it's chronic. Most people see huge improvements in 2 to 4 weeks with these steps alone. Conclusion. So there you have it, the real science behind why you're not sleeping through the night, what the most common sleep problems are, and exactly how to fix them with foods, vitamins, and proven habits. Insomnia isn't a life sentence. It's a signal your body wants better routines. Start with just one change tonight, maybe a handful of almonds and 10 minutes of deep breathing, and watch what happens. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Curiosity Stick deep dive. Drop your biggest sleep struggle in the comments. I read every single one. Sweet dreams. I'll see you in the next one.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my love.